girl
ሚስት
የገርል ላላ በስታይ በአማርኛ
ሴት
በአማርኛ የምስ ሁሉ ነገር ሆነ ነገር አለ እንደዚህ አይነት ሁሉ ነገር አለ ዩሱ ባለገ ነው ያለ
ምስር
you know anatam ታውቂያለሽ anatam
oh ጭንቅላት
that before that አንቶት እንግሊሽ አይትኸሊልክኒ ጠፊን ሕዚ ደስ ይብል
but ሁላችሁም እንግሊዝኛ ዜሮ ነው በቃ ሁላችሁም ዜሮ ነው ዜሮ አንተ ሚጋ አንተ ቁጭ በል ስማ አንተ ቁጭ በል በፈረንጅ ሀገር ቢሊ አንተ ቁጭ በል በፈረንጅ ሀገር I think
ያ አንቺ አዲስ አበባ ሄደሽ ነበር
ኤፍናንስ ምንም ችግር የለም እሱ ኬንያ
አዲስ አበባ ሄደሽ ነበር ዴዚ አማርኛ ቻል አማርኛ ቻል
አዲስ አበባ የነበርኩ የሰፈር አለች
ምን ሰፈር ቦሌ ወይስ 4 ኪሎ
ቦሌ 4 ኪሎ 4 ኪሎ ቦሌ
حد يندبلها تفنان
بنت أمرني على شلمانته إنجليزية على شلمانته أنا just
Daisy
yes
don't involve them don't involve me with them I'm good when I speak English Daisy what happened
shut up brother shut up
no shut up
just shut up no Tigrinya
no Tigrinya alright let's speak all of us English only
أني كذات
why you speak Tigrinya
سما أني كذات هلت إجر ودلاي
بتي درس كنت تخلو
هلتينك كذات make a mersasin
shut up
you shut up who shut up me
he
you
what
he هذا العها listen alright Daisy listen all of us from this time like we will speak only English you get me
okay
alright
okay we only speak English
yeah
okay.
if you speak in Amharic like we will punish you
okay
alright feel it as well don't speak Tigrinya
no Tigrinya
no Amharic all of it only English
only English
yeah
the first punishment is so weird to say English the first punishment is you I don't want to say this English
it's normal yo listen you the first punishment to your leg to the up
yeah the first punishment your legs is in the air
yeah in the air
the second
punishment second punishment
you know flour and egg
what
mix it break it alright break the egg and like put it to the flour and mix it with the water and
like a sign language
no I don't
he speak English Finan speak English my nigga
yes we speak English I am speaking English
it is at the end of the day my guy yeah
no egg two قصعته يزبهرها تمسوات
second punishment
one punishment
yo listen Finan the first punishment is good bro like up to your leg to the air
the second have a second what
2 minutes
that 2 minutes
2 minutes your leg up to the air
okay this one
minute
another second punishment I don't make a what that means no
the second punishment is like you know flour in it
my god
flour
my god حاجة كده تكرني ما أفكر لي زغل سبزي عز إلى باك عز إلى زغل سبز قبره طبي أو كمان
عندنا قطعة شولت إجر.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Daisy, listen,
English,
listen, Daisy.
in English.
Daisy. Yo, 1 second. Daisy, what's gonna happen if Trump hear us when we are speaking English?
نورمال ولا حد يقال.
Hello, guys.
He's gonna arrest us.
Guys.
He's gonna arrest us, man.
ما كنا برو.
They don't speak English, Daisy. What about now? Do you believe me now? Do you think I'm not good?
أفنان من ياركنا
تا أجر أنت أجر تعيد بهالاتا
Leg.
إيش okay كاتو okay go fast
1 minute
for 3 minutes
2 minutes.
come on game let's play game
Sir.
accept
Daisy,
yeah
prove it now. Like, do you think, what do you think now? Can I speak,
Philly
كالاي.
Philly?
okay filter out of and
No, Daisy.
اسكت أنت.
Listen, my guy.
hey idolum hey this is not what I mean I mean the Hulet Edgar like هندرة
Karma يا معري.
okay hey
كارما
وري.
wait
Worry.
hey dangerous but
Worry.
tea so much
Worry.
tea the shallow thank you tea
Karma يا معري.
I don't know Yannick that is like no F9 no Antek Uchabel and Yanta Edgar
أرى كارما ياكلي.
إلى كو وعدم ساعات
no
Worry.
Auntie, no
فنان.
F9 Uchabel and Hulet Edgar like Wadalai like that and day Anta
لتشودك بالونا.
ميكي أزي خبر بلا ميكي أزي خبر بلا
This is the hard one. Daisy.
Mika, do you understand? I mean, like,
Yeah.
sit down and put your legs like
Yeah,
this.
I understand it, but he said, Fnan said, like, this one is the hardest one.
Oh, it's Kabano Day.
Billy,
Okay.
take your punishment, man.
Imagine a West no day.